INTZ Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Intrusion stock at 77 cents, and I see like an 8% decrease in price. I've done 36,000 videos, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what is not. Generally speaking, with INTZ, the only right thing for me to do here is just, I was looking to really pull the trigger, and I was like so hyped up because if the rules were met, I was gonna be a millionaire. Obviously I'm kidding, but you can see the rules were never met, and that's fine because now it's kind of correcting down, kind of showing its true colors. I'm not saying that this thing cannot go up, you know, and just start creating new history, you know, taking new highs out. But what I'm saying is that it's only going to be like something that I'll kind of keep in mind the moment I start seeing breaks above $2 from here on, you know, because it's a bearish range right now. We have a supply zone, so even if my rules are met and there's a double break, then only then I'm going to be willing to take things lower. If not, it's still going to be all like a different, you know, a whole different thing. So what I'll keep doing is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way in just weeks blueprint, click the first link in the description right now, because there's 11 left and this is going to be deleted on 15th of March.